Questions continue, and so do the heartbreaking images out of Texas. Florida has its share of flash floods, but the scenes coming out of Kerr County look surreal and different from what we experience here. As West 2's Michelle Meredith explains, there's a reason for that, and it all has to do with terrain.
Two words that strike fear in people's hearts. Flash flood. The images from Texas, houses floating away, mountains of debris, what's left of people's lives, and the lives lost, 120 and counting. Florida is no stranger to flash floods. Central Florida had its share during Hurricane Ian. But why do flash floods there look so different and are usually more deadlier?
This part of Texas essentially invented the flash flood warning.
They had 10, 11, 12 feet, I think I've heard, just coming right at you. That's going to knock over homes.
We asked West 2's first warning meteorologists, Tony Manolfi and Eric Burris. They say it's all about the terrain. Florida is flat. In a Florida flash flood, water rises from the ground up. But in the Texas hill country, the hills funneled rain into the river like a paper cup.
So how do you see water rise 30 feet so quickly? It's not just raining in that spot, it's raining around, and it's all pooling in that same vat, that same trough, right? And so as it's all pooling into that same spot, that water level is rising and rising and rising at an incredible rate.
And as the debate rages on, how did this happen, and could sirens have helped? Our meteorologists say, in their opinion, yes.
I think people relate that loud, obnoxious sound of a siren to tornadoes and to severe weather.
The bottom line, our experts tell us to stay dialed into the weather because, as we have seen too often, your life could depend on it. Michelle Meredith, West 2 News.